so I thought I would just pop on and kind of draw the winner of the Asos box, which was the August box. So I'll just run through and quickly show you what's in the box. Really quite a pretty little box this month, isn't it? Sometimes they're just plain, but the past few months I think they've had some nice wee pictures on them, or different patterns. So you get a leaflet in the box that tells you a little bit about the products that are in the box. So this box was the Asos Weekender Box, and it says whether you're planning a country retreat with your number one, a weekend with pals, or some much needed me time, the latest face and body box is packed with skincare, hair care heroes for the long awaited summer break. So it goes on to tell you about the products. Now one of the products in here is an absolute cracker of a product. I will come to that in a minute. So we have the Cetaphil, which is a gentle skin cleanser. It's fragrance free and soap free, so a lot of people like this brand. And I feel like I've kind of gone a bit, I don't know, I feel a bit like there's a soft blur over the lens, but it's maybe that light that's streaming in there. The next product here was Hair Burst Volume and Growth Elixir. Now I think this is the same brand that does the vitamins for hair. I'm not sure, but I like the colour of the packaging. Obviously I don't need any more hair. The Charlotte Tilbury, which I've never tried, I have had it a few times, but I think I've always put it in giveaway boxes. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue, and the packaging on this is really cute. So there you go. So it's the classic Charlotte Tilbury packaging. It is so cute. Okay, put that in its box. And there is from OK, they do fantastic sheet masks. It is their SOS Save Our Skin Skin Clarifying Leopard Print Sheet Mask with tea tree and willow bark. So look at that there. Leopard print, yeah, that is lovely. And the hero of this whole box is by Ren, which is a clean skincare company, and it's clean jelly oil cleanser, and it removes makeup, SPF and pollution. 100 mils there, so that is an absolute kind of bargain for getting this box for under £15 including postage and packaging. So the Ren Perfect Canvas. So that is probably one of the reasons why this box kind of sold out really quickly. When they put one of these what they call hero products in, they do tend to sell out quickly. I can't actually speak today, I don't know what's going on. I think I need a nap. So there you go, that's the Ren. So I'll just pop everything back in the box. Now, for one lucky person, I am now going to pull your name out. We do not have the hat anymore, we have the bag. Looks a bit flat, doesn't it? But yep, I've got everybody's names that I've entered. You can hear them all moving around there in case you think I'm trying to scam anybody, but I don't know why I would do that. So I'm just swirling it about a little bit. See, I can't see it, I'm not looking. I always hate for anybody to think they're being cheated out of something. So, trying to grab one. Make sure it's just one. Make sure it's just one. Is it just one? And it's Sue Barras. Well done, Sue. I don't think you've actually won any of my giveaways yet, so there you go. Sue is a lovely lady who subscribes to my channel and she comments regularly, so it's always nice to see somebody who kind of keeps in touch when the giveaway. So Sue, if you could get in touch with me as soon as possible with your name and your address, you can do that via my Instagram page, which is Sparkly Lynette. So just send me a wee message on there and I will get this posted out to you. And if you didn't win, please don't worry, there's still other giveaways. I have been tending to do secret giveaways, so if you're watching my videos in full then you'll find the secret giveaways, and I'm just about to draw one of my secret giveaways at the moment. So anyway, that is the Asos box and Sue is the winner. So thank you for watching guys, I'll speak to you soon, bye bye.